Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a juicing marvel that is about to transform your mornings into a burst of fresh vitality, the Hurom H-200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer Machine. If you are tired of juices that clog on fibrous greens, leave behind wet pulp wasting your money, or take ages to scrub clean after use, this one is your secret to smooth, nutrient-rich juices with minimal effort. Picture loading whole apples, kale leaves, or carrots and watching it slowly press out vibrant, pulp-free elixir full of enzymes and flavor, perfect for quick wellness shots, family detox days, or even small business juice bars. No more chopping marathons or scrubbing nightmares. This easy, clean, slow juicer makes extraction gentle, efficient, and joyfully simple. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Hurom H-200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer Machine is a game changer for juice lovers and busy health seekers. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this juicing gem. The Hurom H-200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer Machine is a vertical masticating model with a 43 RPM auger that crushes produce slowly to extract maximum juice without heat or oxidation, keeping vitamins intact for up to 72 hours of freshness. It has a wide 2-inch feed chute for larger pieces, reducing prep time, and a 150-watt motor that runs quietly under 50 decibels, ideal for early mornings. The innovative self-feeding design uses a chamber that holds up to 1 liter, letting you load and let it work hands-free. The body is sleek stainless steel with matte silver finish, measuring 16.8 inches tall, 6.8 inches wide, 9.6 inches deep, and weighing 14 pounds for stable countertop presence. It includes a fine strainer for silky juice, a coarse one for thicker drinks, a juice container, pulp cup, and a unique cleaning brush set for effortless rinses. All plastic parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, with a 10-year motor warranty for longevity. Price is around $500, a worthwhile investment for premium slow juicing that lasts. Okay, now for the real scoop, pros and cons after juicing everything from citrus to celery. Pros first. Number 1, the slow 43 RPM yields 30% more juice with drier pulp than fast juices. Number 2, wide chute and self-feeding save prep and time. Number 3, it conquers fibrous greens like kale without clogging. Number 4, easy clean design rinses in under 2 minutes, no scrubbing. Number 5, ultra quiet and compact for daily use. Overall, it makes juicing a smooth, rewarding ritual. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $500 price is higher than entry level. 2, slower speed takes 4 to 6 minutes per batch. 3, 14 pounds is not super portable. 4, the chamber may need stirring for very hard produce. 5, limited to cold pressing, no hot soups. But here's the truth. The pros make it a winner for most. If you juice a few times a week for optimal health and ease, this fits perfectly. Not for budget speed seekers, but for quality slow juice, it is a yes. So, my recommendation, snag the Hurom H-200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer Machine today. It pours pure health into your day. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your body will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more juicing joy and click the link to support us. What is your dream juice combo? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.